Give this tasty recipe a go and enjoy making this flavorful lemon pie. Combine flour with baking powder and cold butter, working it into small crumbs. Add sour cream, forming a dough ball. Chill for 40 minutes. For the filling, use lemons with the peel. Soak them in boiling water for a few minutes. Remove seeds and dice. Blend with sugar until smooth. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Roll out the larger part and layer it in a pie pan. Pour in the lemon filling, seal the edges well, and bake for an hour. Let it cool before slicing. This lemony treat wrapped in a buttery crust is simply delicious. Check the description for full details.